I'm Henry Harris, I'm the chef and founder of Racine, and today I'm going to be cooking an amazing piece of grass-fed Irish beef, in particular a Côte de boeuf, and showing you how easy it is to do yourself. First of all, a really generous seasoning of salt and pepper. Don't be shy about this. Now the other thing that is very important with this is don't try and cook this straight from the fridge. You want to take it out at least an hour before you're going to start cooking it. You can see it's just got this lovely soft texture, and the marbling of that just fat from all that wonderful grass diet just goes through, and that will all just kind of melt and come together and make something really succulent. I just put it into a kind of warmish pan and then turn the pan up to full. I want to crisp up that backside first. I'm also going to put just a little splash of oil in there at the same time. We're looking for caramelization. It's what brings richness and really brings out the flavour of this fantastic piece of meat. I've got a lovely caramelization there, and so I'm just going to gently move it down onto its sides. There's a good sizzle going on. We know it's all going in the right direction now. And let that start to just fry and crisp up gently. I was lucky enough a few years ago to go to Ireland, and the animals just kind of have a very gentle life. They walk around fields eating this long, bright green grass, and that just translates into fantastic flavour. You get this succulent joint that is, you know, heavenly. And you can see just along here how it's browning up. The crust is what gives that fantastic flavour. Right, I'm just going to baste the beef now. I've put the nice knob of butter in, turn the heat down, and then as the butter melts in the rendered fat, I'm just spooning it over the top of the meat. The butter's a golden colour, the beef is lovely and brown. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. Oh, wonderful. I'm just going to pour some of these lovely pan juices over the top and leave that in a warm place to rest for about 15 minutes. And to serve it, I'm going to get a sharp knife and lift off the rib bone here. Cut off this lovely triangle here. It's a really tasty bit with a big nugget of fat in it. And then I'm going to slice across here in centimetre thick slices, and then arrange it on my serving dish and take it to the table.